tired. He sat down to rest at the foot of the great kapok tree. Before he knew it, the heat and the hot of the forest had lulled him to sleep. A boa constrictor lived in the kapok tree. He slithered down its trunk to where the man was sleeping. He looked at the gash had made in the tree. Then the huge snake had slid very close to the man and hissed in his ear.
Senor, this tree is a tree of miracles. It is my home where generations of my ancestors have lived. Do not chop it down.
A butterfly flew near the sleeping man's ear.
Senor, our home is in this kapok tree, and we fly from tree to tree and flower to flower collecting pollen.
In this way, we pollinate the trees and flowers throughout the rainforest. You see, all living things depend on it.
A troop of monkeys scampered down from the canopy. They chattered to the sleeping man.
Senor, we have seen the ways of man. You chop down one tree, then come back for another and another. The roots of these great trees will wither and die, and there will be nothing left to hold in the earth's place. When the heavy rains come, the soil will be washed away, and the forest will become a desert. A toucan flew down from the canopy.
Senor, you must not cut down this tree. We have flown over the rainforest and seen what happens once you begin to cut down the trees. Many people settle on the land. They set fire to clean the underbrush, and soon the forest disappears where once there was life and beauty. Only black and smoldering ruins remain.
Some bright and small tree frogs called along the edge of a leaf, and squeaky voices they piped in the man's ear.
Senor, a little